Hello, future scientists! Get ready for an amazing adventure inside your own body. Today, we're going to meet the incredible respiratory system, your body's built-in air pump. We're about to explore one of the coolest systems in your body, the respiratory system. It's super important for keeping you running, jumping, and even thinking. So what is the respiratory system? Well, it's a team of organs that work together to help you breathe. Breathing might seem simple, but it's actually a super important job. Every time you take a breath, you're bringing in something vital called oxygen. Oxygen is like fuel for your body's engine. Without it, your cells, which are the tiny building blocks of your body, can't work properly. And when you breathe out, you're getting rid of a waste gas called carbon dioxide. Let's explore the amazing organs in your respiratory system. First, air enters through your nose and mouth. Your nose has tiny hairs and sticky snot that filter out dust and germs. Plus, it warms and moistens the air. Next, air travels down your throat or pharynx. Then it goes into your trachea, also known as your windpipe. The trachea is a flexible tube that keeps air flowing smoothly to your lungs. At the end of your trachea, it splits into two smaller tubes called bronchi. One bronchus goes into your left lung, and the other goes into your right lung. They get smaller and smaller, like little roads leading to all the tiny neighborhoods in your lungs. These smaller branches are still part of your bronchi. They are called bronchioles. The bronchi make sure the fresh air you breathe in gets all the way to tiny little air sacs deep inside your lungs. Now for the stars of the show, your lungs. You have two of them, and they're like spongy balloons inside your chest. They're protected by your rib cage, which acts like a shield. Inside your lungs, the bronchi keep branching into smaller and smaller tubes, like the branches of a tree. Do not forget, these tiny tubes are called bronchioles. At the very end of these bronchioles are super tiny, super important air sacs called alveoli. Say alveoli. Imagine them like tiny little balloons. You have millions of them in your lungs. This is where the magic happens. The walls of the alveoli are super thin, and they're surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Oxygen from the air you breathed in passes from the alveoli right into your blood. And at the same time, carbon dioxide, the waste gas, moves from your blood into the alveoli to be breathed out. It's like a tiny, super efficient exchange station. How do we breathe? It's thanks to the diaphragm. This dome-shaped muscle sits right below your lungs. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves down, making space for your lungs to expand. When you breathe out, it moves up, pushing air out. It's like an air pump. Air travels from your nose or mouth down to your alveoli before heading out. Every breath powers your body with oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. Breathing is important for playing, learning, and growing. The respiratory system is amazing. It's working hard for you every second. Now you know how your body breathes. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep breathing, future scientists. If you loved learning about your incredible organs, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to SciKids Zone for more awesome science adventures. See you next time!